Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to do a double crochet and a single crochet. So what you'll need is yarn. I chose two different colors, a pair of scissors, and some crochet needles. So we'll start off by doing the single crochet. So first you'll do a slip knot, then do a chain of 11 or more depending on how much you'd like to practice. So there we go, a chain of 11 or 12 or whatever number you'd like. And there we have it. So now for the single crochet, you will put your needle on the second loop from the hook. So the first one, you jumped it into the second loop or second chain. There we go. Then you yarn over, pull through. You have two loops on your hook now. Yarn over and pull through the two that remain. Okay, we'll do that again. You insert the hook through the chain, yarn over, pull through. You have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through those two, and that's how you do a single crochet. So you'll go through and finish all the way to the end. I'll also teach you how to do the turn. So once you reach the end, chain one, turn your work, and then go through the first chain above the first line you've done, like we said in the first one. So go through that chain right there. You'll go through the needle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, all the way to the end. And that's how you do a single crochet. So you can pause the video here and do it as much as you like and see whether you've gotten the concept. And that's how you do a single crochet. Okay, so next we'll learn how to do the double crochet. So you'll take your yarn, do the slip knot and make the chain just like we learned in our second class. And if you've not seen that video, I'll link it up here I'll link it up there so that you can go back and look at it, so that you can come back and continue with the double crochet lesson. So you'll make your chain. It was a little difficult trying to look at it through the camera. So make your chain. So after you've made your chain, here we'll put our hook into the fourth chain from the hook. 3, let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And there you go. You yarn over first, put your hook through the chain, yarn over. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2, and there you have a double crochet. We'll do it again, yarn over into the chain, yarn over, pull through the first chain, you have 3, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you have 2 remaining, yarn over and into those 2. That's how you do a double crochet. So you can try that all the way to the end of the chain, the foundation chain. Okay, now that you've reached the end, you will chain 1, turn your work, and then you'll double crochet into the very first chain above the double crochet, the foundation, the first line, into that space. This will guarantee you a straight line. For example, if you're making a scarf, it will guarantee you a straight edges. So do the same thing like we did in the other row. So this was basically to show you how, when you're turning, how to turn and make sure that the work is neat. So above every chain, you'll make a double crochet. Take your time, unravel if it gets spoiled, and just try again, because practice makes perfect, like I said before. And there you have it. You have your double crochet and your single crochet. I think you can see the difference in the thickness of a double crochet and that of a single crochet. I hope you've learned something in this video. Thank you so much for watching up to here. Please share this with someone who you think might benefit from it. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.